Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Dr. Case Academy. In this video we will discuss about rectangle and polygon, that how we can draw a rectangle and polygon in AutoCAD, and what are the shortcut keys which we are used. And at the end we will also discuss about inscribe and circumscribe polygon. So if you are interested, then you have to watch the video till the end. So let's start from polygon. So let's start from a rectangle. So if you want to activate or draw a rectangle, then you have to come to the interface and click on rectangle. You can see here, and you can simple draw this. And if you want to draw more accurately through dimension, then you have to, you can see here, specify first corner point, then you specify your first point. My first point is, let's suppose at 0 comma 0. Then you have to press enter, and you have to specify the second point. So second point is the this corner point. So let I want this, my second point is 10 comma 10. You can see here. So our rectangle has been found. So we have to check its dimension. So let's its dimension. We have to check its dimension. You can see here it is 10. So it is verified. Now it's second method, that how we can draw, which is the shortcut method. Shortcut key method. You have to just type REC in the command line. You can see here. Then you have to press enter. So in this method, you can also draw a rectangle and a AutoCAD, which are RAC. Now we have to discuss about polygon. So if you want to activate the polygon, you can see here, from the interface. Click on this, and now click on polygon. So here in command line, you can see here, enter number of sides. So let I want my polygon having 8 sides. You can see here, now it is shown specify center of polygon. So let my polygon having center of 0 comma 0, and it is shown inscribe and circumscribe. So let here I have to choose circumscribe. So our polygon has been found, and I can change the value of sides. So let I want to change the sides values. Now I have to type 6 sides. So you have to enter, and the our center as 0 comma 0. You have to press enter. So you have to choose inscribe. You can see here. So now we have to discuss about the inscribe and circumscribe. Inscribe mean that your polygon fits inside a circle, or we can see, or we can simply says that the the corner of your polygon touch the circle. Let I want to show through example. Let I want to draw a circle. So this is our polygon. You can see here. So this is I want to remove this one and order to get clear concept. So you can see here it's in fine touch the circle. Here is little bit difference. So it's mean this fine is touch. This is actually like this. You can see this is actually like this. Okay, consider like this. So it's mean it's in fine, its corner fine touch the circle. Or we can simply says that your polygon fits inside a circle. So now we have to discuss about the circumscribe. Circumscribe means that the midpoint of your sides of polygon touch the circle. Now I want to draw another polygon of having 6 sides, and I have to choose its 0 comma 0 center, and which is circumscribe. Circumscribes, now we have to discuss this circumscribe. I have to activate the circle command, 3 point. So this font here at this font, and I want to draw this font. So here this is the circumscribe polygon. Circumscribe mean it's the side point, midpoint of the side touch the circle. You can see here this is midpoint of the side of polygon, and which touch the circle, and this you can see here. And now we have to discuss that how we can draw many sides. That I want to draw a polygon of having 2 sides. Sorry, having 3 sides, which we commonly known as rectangle. Sorry, triangle. Now we specify center, which is 0 comma 0, and let this is inscribe. So this is 0 comma 0. Now we have to draw a polygon having, let's suppose, 12 sides. You have to type its sides, and 0 comma 0, its center is 0 comma 0. And what about let this is inscribe. So you can see here. So when we will use inscribe and when we will use circumscribe, it is simple. When we have given the value, let this is the second example, 8 sides and 0 comma 0. So I simply show you that when we will use, so you can see here. So so when we will use the inscribe method, and when we will use the circumscribe, when we have given the value, so I want this DL dimension. When we have given the value from the center to the corner of the polygon, then we will use the inscribe method. And if we have given the value from the center to the midpoint of the polygon, this is the midpoint of polygon and this is the center, then we will use the circumscribe method. And we can also says that if we have given the value from one corner to another, let this is and passing through center, so this we can also use the inscribe method. You can see here is diameter, and if we have given the value from one midpoint, uh, from the midpoint of the side of polygon to another midpoint of the side of polygon, which pass through the center. So you can see here. So in this video we discuss about that how we can draw a polygon and a rectangle in AutoCAD, and also discuss about the inscribe and circumscribe polygon and the shortcut key which we are used for these. So if you have any question about these, then you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.